Hello and good day to you, our beloved learners, supportive parents, and guardians. Welcome to Tiradpas Network, DepEd Candon City Teleskwela, kanlungan ng kaalaman tungo sa kahusayan at kaunlaran. Tara na! This episode is for Grade 10 Mathematics, Quarter 2, Week 3. I am Teacher She, and I'll be your teacher for today's episode. Are you ready? Then let's start circling the world of mathematics. In today's episode, you are expected to first, define a circle and describe other terms related to circle and derive the relationships. Second, identify the central angle and intercepted arc of a given circle. And third, find the measure of the central angle and intercepted arc of a given circle. Here are the questions that will guide us as we go through our lesson. First, what is a circle? Second, what are the auxiliary parts of a circle? Third, how are these parts related? Fourth, what are central angles and intercepted arcs? And 5, how are central angles and their intercepted arcs related? Let us now begin our discussion about circles. First, let us define what a circle is. A circle is a set of all points with the same distance from a fixed point called the center. Now, how do we name a circle? You're right! The center is used to name a circle. For instance, this circle is named as circle O, or in symbol. Now, it's time to meet the auxiliary parts of a circle. If we connect the center of the circle to any point on the circle by a line segment, what do we call this line segment? Correct! It is the radius. Circle O has radius OA. Remember, the endpoints of a radius are the center and a point on the circle. Furthermore, it is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. And all radii on the same circle are congruent. In circle O, the radii are segments OA, OB, and OC. These segments are congruent, meaning if line segment OA is equal to 5 units, then OB is also 5 units. Likewise, with OC, it is also 5 units long. Did you understand the concept of radius? That's great! Now, let's have another one. Circle O has the points A and B on its circumference. Connecting these 2 points using a segment, we have line segment AB. What do we call this segment? Correct, it is a chord. A chord of a circle is a line segment having endpoints on the circle. Can you name other chords on circle O? Very good. The other chords on circle O are segments CD and EF. Let us focus on chord EF. What seems to be special on this chord? You're right. This chord passes through the center of the circle. If a chord passes through the center of the circle, then this chord is called a diameter. Remember, a diameter of a circle is a chord that passes through the center of the circle. It is the longest chord of a circle, and its length is twice as long as its radius. Did you get the relationship between a chord and a diameter of a circle? I know you got it. Let us proceed. What if we extend chord CD, put arrowheads on both ends, and extend them? What has been formed? Correct. We have formed line CD, and this line is called secant. A secant is a line a segment or array that intersects a circle at exactly 2 points. Other secants of circle O are ray GH and line XY. Did you understand the concept of secant? Great! Now, take a look at this. What is common to line WR, segment IJ, and ray MN in relation to circle O? Correct! They all pass through circle O at exactly 1 point. And these are called tangents. A tangent is a line, a segment or array that intersects a circle at exactly 1 point. And the point of intersection is called the point of tangency. What is the point of tangency of circle O and tangent line WR? Correct! It is point R. What about the point of tangency of circle O and ray MN? Very good! Point N. And what about the point of tangency of circle O and segment IJ? You're right! It is point A. Now, let us try this exercise. Bring out a piece of paper and a ball pen. Ready? Let us now start. Give what is being asked. Refer on circle A. Number 1. Name the radii of circle A. The answers are segments AX, AE, and AY. Number 2. Name 3 chords of circle A. Time is up. The answers are segments EY, CY, and XY. Number 3. Name a diameter of circle A. The answer is segment XY. Number 4. Name a secant line of circle A. And the answer is line EY. Name a tangent line of circle A. Time is up. The answer is line CL. Nice job! Let's keep on going. Take a look at curve CX of circle A. This is called an arc. An arc is a part of a circle between any 2 points. It is measured in terms of degrees. A circle is in itself an arc that measures 360 degrees. Arcs can be classified as minor, semicircle, and major. This symbol is used to denote an arc. A semicircle is an arc which is 1/2 of a circle. It measures exactly 180 degrees. A minor arc is less than a semicircle, and its measure is between 0 degree and 180 degrees, while a major arc is greater than a semicircle, which measures between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. Referring to circle A, arcs XEY and XCY are semicircles. Arcs EX, CY, and EY are minor arcs. An arc CEY is a major arc. A central angle of a circle is an angle formed by 2 radii and its vertex is the center of the circle. Referring to circle A, angles EAX and EAY are central angles. An intercepted arc is created when lines or subsets of a line cuts across a section of the circumference of a circle. The intersection of lines or subsets of it are on the circle, thus forming an inscribed angle. Referring on circle A, arc EC is a minor arc intercepted by inscribed angle EYC. Arc EX is a minor arc intercepted by a central angle EAX and also intercepted by inscribed angle EYX. The sum of the measures of the central angles of a circle with no common interior points is 360 degrees. In the figure, angles 1, 2, 3, and 4 are examples of central angles without common interior points. Thus, measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4 is equal to 360 degrees. Now, let us find out the relationship between the central angle intercepting the arc of a circle. 5, 6, 7, go. Now, let us find out the relationship between the central angle intercepting the arc of a circle. Using circle C, the following can be shown. Central angle FCG intercepts minor arc FG. Central angle ECI intercepts minor arc EI. Central angle ACG intercepts major GBA. Minor arc AI is intercepted by central angle ACI. And major arc FDH is intercepted by central angle FCH. Another concept that we must take to understand better the relationship between the central angle and its intercepted arc is the arc addition postulate. According to this postulate, the measure of an arc formed by two adjacent non-overlapping arcs that share exactly one point is equal to the sum of the measures of these two arcs. Using circle D, degree measure of arc AC is equal to degree measure of arc AB plus degree measure of arc BC. That is 60 degrees plus 90 degrees. Therefore, arc AC is 150 degrees. Accomplishing this will help you to do the next activity. Determine the measures of the given arcs and angles. Refer to the figure that follows. C is the center of the circle, while the other points are points on the circle. You will be given 5 seconds to find what is asked. Number 1. Find the measure of angle 2 or angle LCM. Time is up and the answer is 45 degrees. Number 2. How about measure of arc LM? Yes, the measure of arc LM is 45 degrees because the measure of arc LCM is also 45 degrees that intercepts it. Number 3. What is the measure of arc XQ? Arc XQ is 30 degrees because angle XCQ and angle RCO are vertical angles, and a pair of vertical angles are congruent. It follows that their intercepted arcs are also congruent. This time, let us review the things we have learned so far. At the beginning of this session, we defined the circle and described its different parts, derived their relationships, and lastly, identified and measured the central angles and intercepted arcs of a circle. Alright, this time, let's have some fun answering the exercises that will be flashed on your screen. You have 5 seconds to answer each of the given question. Refer to Circle C. Number 1. The angle intercepting arc GA. Time is up. The answer is angle GCA. Number 2. The angle intercepting arc DH. The answer is angle DCH. Number 3. The arc intercepted by angle ACH. And the answer is arc AH. Did you get all of them correctly? Very good! But if not, don't worry. We have another set of exercises. Number 1. Find the measure of angle PCR. And the answer is 15 degrees. Number 2. Measure of arc PO. The answer is 45 degrees. Number 3. Measure of angle 8. The answer is 45 degrees. Alright! I hope you were able to answer most of the items in the exercises that we had. And if you wish to know more about our lesson, you can check the following for references. That's it! We have reached the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed traversing the world of circles. Thank you very much for joining me here. Remember that life is a circle. The end of one journey is the beginning of the next. Once again, I am your teacher She, your Mathematics 10 teacher, now signing off. Always stay safe and happy learning. See you next time!